And we're going to go ahead and get started on this. And then when we've got the meat browned and and then, as I said, we'll go ahead and dump the onions in and let them soften up a little bit. Yeah, just like that. You know, here's the thing. You know, here we are out in the middle of the desert, right? Hanging out with some friends right now. I know that it's possible to do it this way. I've done it for several other things. So normally when I makes a great ratio for a nice thick sauce. I think this sauce is actually going to be thinner than I want. All right, so first up I'm dumping in the diced tomatoes. Kind of making a mess on the counter a little bit. In the pressure cooker. You really do not want to mix it in. It's a little looser than I would prefer on the drying mats. Like I've already done the silverware. That's all done. And once I get everything